or an Appendix A to Part 229 form of FRA 618049A, editorial note, Appendix A, and publish it, Title 45, FRA 211118, March 31st, 1980, as part of the original document, is not carried into the CFR. Copies of the FRA F618049A are available at the contacting Federal Road Administration Office. Standards and procedures are 1200 New Jersey Avenue, Southeast Washington, D.C. 20590. 45 FRA 21109, March 31st, 1980, as amended at 74 Federal Registration 25174, May 27, 2009. Appendix B, Part 229, Schedule of Civil Penalties. 229, Prohibited Act, Safety Deficiencies not governed in specific regulations to be assessed from relevant facts. Subpart A, General notifying the non-complying locomotives, locomotive identification control, locomotives remote control, locomotives accident reports prior waivers. Subpart B, inspection testing, daily inspection, inspection overdue, inspection report not made, improperly executed, not retained, inspection not performed in qualified person, periodic inspection, general inspection overdue, inspection performed improperly over the location underneath the portion, cannot be saved, inspected, inspected overdue, inspected overdue, inspected overdue, from missing, from properly displayed, from improperly executed, replaced, form FRA F618049A from April 2nd and July 3rd, secondary record of the information reported to the FRA 618049A. The testing every periodical inspection from A through D for the 4 and E and F testing, and D5 and effective maintenance annual and biannual testing, 22931 biannual hydrostatic testing, main reserve biannual hammer testing, main reserve drill test, telltale hole and weld main reserve biannual testing, aluminum main reserve, out of use credit. Subpart C, safety requirements, protection against personal injury, exhaust battery gas, general condition to be assessed with relevant for X brakes, general emergency brake, main reserve system, main reserve safety valve, mechanically actuated control reserve, manually reserve governors, aluminum main reserve brake gauges, piston travel, foundation brake gear, leakage draft system, lateral motion plan beer, spring ringing, truck, side bearings, clearance above the top of the rail, wheel set, wheel tire defects, slit or flat or shelved spot, 1 and 2.5 inches more than less than 3 inches, one in a spot 3 inches or more in length, 2 adjoining the spots on which 2 inches or more in length and 2.5 inches in length, 2 adjoining spots are each with at least 2 inches or either spot is 2.5 more in length, gouge or chip in the flange, more than 1 1/2 inch but less than 1 5/8 of an inch length, and more than 1/2 inch but less than 5/8 of an inch width. 1 5/8 more than the length of 5/8 of an inch or more in width. Broken rim, seam, tread, flange thickness 1 7/8 both, less than 3/16 or less. Tread worn, hollow, flange height 1.5 greater but not less than 1 5/8, 1 5 inch or more. Tire thickness, rim thickness less than 1 inch. Road surface than 3/4 inch. These are all penalties for each one of these sections that we read. They are costly, about $2,500 to $5,000 a piece. Like locomotive design, crashworthiness, subpart E, locomotive electronics. Part C, to Part 229 FRA Locomotive Standards Code of the Defects, editorial and Appendix C was published at Title 45 FRA 2211-21, March 31st, 1980, as part of the original document. Is not carried on the CFR. And then Appendix D for Part 229, Criteria for Certification Crashworthy Event Record Module. We're going to skip that and move. I might skip it. Yeah, I might skip it. And Appendix F is recommended practices for design safety analysis. We're going to skip the appendixes, and that covers Part 229, except for the appendixes. Alright.